ako ng shrimp fettuccine and then soup. And then the same thing. And then meron kaming shrimp appetizer with what is this? I don't know what is this. Let me see. Hindi ko mapipili. Bell pepper. Tapos may ito, bread. Kain na tayo. Meron pa kami coke. Tapos nag-play pa kami ng sa Olive Garden. Ito yung shrimp fettuccine. Kung gusto mo daw ng i-add ng broccoli, so ng broccoli, tingnan natin kung masarap. Punong-puno yung bibig ko sa laki ng punong-puno.